Hey guys, welcome to our channel that is Regrob.com, and today in this video we'll give you the glimpses of PKS Town Central project, which is a commercial project located in Noida Extension. This project consists of a single tower having 4 floors each and total comprises of 210 numbers of units. It offers retail shops and food court. It's an under construction project, as here you can see the construction work is going on in full swing. This commercial project is surrounded by the various residential projects, as here you can see the various towers of residential projects. So this project is located in one of the prime location of Noida Extension. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more fresh real estate updates, you can subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and queries, you can contact us at the number given in the description. Thank you.